My dear, you know the most wonderful thing about the festival is that it's so romantic.
Indeed it is, my dear. But not all romance at the festival is what it seems. For instance, let's take a look at Sound and Fury.
Oh, my.
Sound and Fury! And on this stage, we bombastically bring to these baleful boards a beacon of pathos from the bard, William Shakespeare's most famous tragedy, The Full Montague! That's right, take the awesome look at these guys. Sing two households, both alike in dignity, in fair Verona, where we lay our scene. Their youngest brood, entering puberty, to meet and marry, though they're both 14. From forth the fatal loins of these two kids, a cunning plan to stay as man and wife. This Romeo, whom Capulet forbids, drinks poison while his gal will use a knife. Grabbing. And after, the families come to blows, for they did never learn to turn the page. Their story now we wish to hear disclosed. Woohoo! To play for you and earn donated wages. But do not fear this plays as long as advertised. Awfully quick. In short, it's circumcised. Thank you. Thank you. Hey!